Today, I would like to say a few words about my great-grandfather, Mustafa Ali Hamadani. He was my mother's daughter, although she never met him, as he sadly passed away before she was born. I am very interested in my family tree, so when Mama told me about her dada, I was fascinated. When India separated in 1947 to form Pakistan, my great-grandfather, Mustafa Ali Hamadani, came on New Radio Pakistan and was the first voice and person to say the words, "This is Radio Pakistan." In those days, radio was the main form of media, so that voice echoed through all the houses. What a historic moment in the world. I am so proud that this part of history belongs to my family tree. I am so proud to be the great-grandson of such a historic person, Mustafa Ali Hamadani. Happy Independence Day, Pakistan. I hope to visit you soon.